Wel Welcome everyone to a quick live stream here from our Linux channel. So turns out Firefox 84 is about to being released. They don't have this yet on their website, but their sources. Oh darn, I have a microphone HDMI cable. Also not sure if I... so yeah, while we wait for this stupid ARM Mac to update Big Sur, let's quickly... Too many keyboards, let's quickly test whether that builds, because usually Rust, Cargo, whatever dependencies. So yeah, feature-wise, there is not yet a changelog. Not sure if they still have a changelog, or do we probably... let's maybe use a config to turn on temp-fs. We probably have that disabled from yesterday, or did we? And yes, at home you want to use LTO link time optimization, obviously, but anyway, so yeah, as usual, trying this out live here. So let's see what happens. Also, we want this with verbose. Also, yeah, today I think we don't have this strange jittering effect of whatever double buffering. Maybe this is when the HDMI capture has some hiccup there on the USB. Oh, also stuff doesn't... Yeah, that was fast. So this is our bloody... yeah, so much to that. It said we could... This is a little bit sad. This is our custom node GTK2 patch. As usual, when you have patches like this, then stuff like that happens. We can temporarily disable that. It's set. So previous video, for those who don't know, they only have GTK Plus for API compatibility with bloody Flash plugin stuff. What does it want now? Should name what? Patching files required, running built-in autogen script. Warning, error, undefined macro, AC, init, prepare, what the heck? Yeah, I can't make this stuff up. I honestly didn't try that before. This is really fat. I have no words. What is my macOS update doing? 100. I wish I could show you that. It's saying 100% complete, but the progress bar is like at 60%. It's hilarious. And now 100%. Now it's switched to 1. It's maybe I should. Yeah, I need to make a photo, because boot stuff. Do we turn this the other light anyway? This is so funny. It's 1 of 100%, but not really. It's hilarious. You'll find this later on Instagram. Yeah, so this is rather annoying. I mean, there might be a new version, but historically they also needed a bloody autoconf 2. What would that be? Autoconf, I guess. Was there a new version? There is a new version, but the funny thing is the previous version just built, so whatever's up with that stuff. Or did the data update that? Probably. What did we get from data? Oh, nothing yet today. Also, let's see this image source. Depth none shows autoconf. Yeah, we had the previous version 269. So yeah, not sure if we can. Yeah, but this is the recurring theme. Why is this stuff here so super time consuming? Because each random update, it's like, yeah, Rust, Cargo, autoconf. I also wish with somehow Mozilla Firefox is using plenty of build systems, like everything in the kitchen sink. That's a little bit annoying. Even autoconf, I should actually check if it still needs this bloody autoconf 2.13 of whatever 20-year-old stuff that is. because with the many build systems, I would wish they would at least then not use the worst of all of them, because yeah. Anyway, let's see what happens now. Are we lucky that this works more? Maybe not, maybe we are. Let's maybe, this of course doesn't error definition of ACE init prepare. Can we? Yeah, there is a new Firefox version. It will be amazing until it doesn't freaking build anymore. So yeah, another data set of Y after oops, 20 years in this business. That's like, yeah, not amused anymore. So let's see what is new, maybe of web render allegedly by default for some more Linux setups. What else? Not really. What do we have here? Mozilla changes. We have here something. Can we? Probably. This is also funny. So that would be that. So let's see, for developers playing along at home, Accessibility Inspector now supports displaying the keyboard tab. HTML, yeah, changes for web developers, HTML no changes. Added support for complex selections, not pseudo class, removals of proprietary mods, default appearance of JavaScript custom datetime formats. HTTP no changes. Firefox no ensures localhost such as refer to localhost loopback interfaces and not other trickery APIs. Some stuff. What else do we have here? RTC web audio. No throws an invalid notification error being changed. Stuff doesn't actually look the most. Again, there is not yet a change log. It's not yet listed on the website. So yeah. Are we still extracting this? Yeah, so this is why we usually run this on a tempfs. Does this really take that long? OBS Firefox, hello. Well, the SSD is getting full though, and is externally connected now. macOS update, about 10 minutes remaining. Thank you very much. Why does this take so long? Is this even running? Altar. Maybe we want to delete some eyes so that we probably mostly are synced to some mirror already. How can this be so slow? Well, except we have some, do we have some load 15 of Xbox server? Hello, can we also finish? Hello, computer? That is a new thing. Betterfs transaction, something. Slightly irritated. Let's hope we don't have a machine check exception with our overclock memory. Only live on this channel, some I/O, 2 GB, 2.1, yeah, some Betterfs slowdown for. Yeah, actually I have a new hardware lying around, so hardware review updates coming the next days, probably for Christmas. 2.2 gigs somehow right now. Now we set up the Betterfs external USB transaction gods for some reason. Maybe some stuff is doing here excessive F things or whatever is going on there. Hello? 8 minutes remaining for 100% install complete of macOS. Anyway, okay, maybe we control Z this and somehow, why is load average dropping? Not. There we are. On websites they say better FS optimization, but somehow always on this channel sometimes could be performance regression with the new Linux kernel. So I have no idea what's going on here with this stuff. I say init prepare. I mean, we could, as usual, randomly Google that, because whatever doesn't. Yeah, thank you very much. Also, yeah, Google in 2020, right? And macro not defined. It's like, yeah, this is not what I'm looking for. Maybe. Excuse me, it could also be that our autoconf is simply too new, a recurring theme on source distribution. Can we comment this out? I have no idea. Yeah. Wrap is in prepared to add above trap. No idea. What was it running? Problem with this fancy build systems. Did it run mach build or running built-in autogen script? That is a little bit of a problem. Even I, after a week, don't remember what it now used to build. Probably mach build. Let's hope that was the first thing it was running. I'm not entirely sure though. Did it? Not did it? Was it not? No. Or did the T2 back in autoconf? Neither. Maybe we should not have deleted that. Maybe this is our so much to can you command this out. Maybe this is simply running the wrong autoconf. Maybe our own automation stuff did run some. No. Still so much to, yeah. New Firefox is out. But wait a second. Actually, this did more. So maybe there is some new combination of files that is triggering T2 to run autoconf, maybe. I would need to check where exactly this is running. Yeah, so the problem is whatever is going wrong there with this autoconf, maybe this is this bloody old autoconf 2.3, but what does it want now? Probably GTK. Also, I think I had GTK 2, or don't I have that? Debug something, where is even amazing modern build system printouts of. Yeah, this is exactly why we patch this away. Also, I have GTK 2, but somehow, why does it not? I mean, theoretically, I don't even want that, because also for the minimal ISO, I don't want to have 2 GTK versions. I think I've fully removed that though. Yeah, this impact. I need to extract this impact patch from my server actually. Yeah, the annoying thing is this Firefox is a little bit sad now. This is supposed to be the last version with bloody Flash support. And now they touched the code for some reason and this bloody patch doesn't apply anymore. So much to custom scripts as where does this somehow doesn't autocomplete because of reasons. So this is unfortunately really a lot, which is really annoying. It's mostly build stuff, so probably this. Okay, this is actually not too much. But the thing is, this is now really time consuming. GTK2 symbols. I mean, it's not that bad, but yeah, my frustration also with random changes because the next person, or did I, shit, I did this wrong. Ah, darn, I didn't use fix file diff. Yeah, what a fail. Or did I at least, for the first one I did, yeah. Yeah, what? Yeah, this is super, this is actually deleting quite a bit. Or is it deleting, the whole file? Oh, this is deleting the whole file, I think. I mean, maybe we don't really need to delete that though, not sure. Because if we want to minimize this patch, we could actually not touch this file. Why does this not apply? Maybe the licensing regenerated, it's not clear. I mean, plugins, do we need to patch that? Nah. Where have we been? Mods build, mods GTK test. It's mostly the same thing, but not really what I wanted to do now, but yeah. Yeah, rediffing this for the last. I really wonder why this didn't apply, but what is my macOS update doing? Nah, about a minute remaining. Where have we been? Test. Also, Mr. Wang sucks, longest instruction length, something, 22 bytes, that sounds a lot. And more than x86. Mod switcher GTKN. Oops. I think they really touched this, right? What was the... Yeah, they touched this. You see get default. Yeah, they even have here Wayland backend stuff, so not really sure. Yeah, last minute GTK2 Wayland stuff, I don't know. But if once, so we have here, maybe this is additionally of Wayland all over. Let's see. Yeah, they have their GTK and Wayland. What is the next? IPC. I mean, we could theoretically do this in one. Maybe this is slightly more efficient. Oops. Let's see. This is mods. This is also lightweight of mods X11 GTK. Relatively lightweightish. Maybe we use a chance. I'm not sure if fix file diff will gracefully. No, it does. Oh, wait a second. This is a fix file. Maybe I should take the chance, or does it? No, it doesn't. You know what? That we have here some improvement and not only random stuff. Probably for this kind, it's probably more efficient to VI and fix file all at once. Oh goodness, bloody Mac is rebooting. So for that to make in general stuff, not only to patch there's some vintage stuff away. Fix file diff here in build package. So this is our own function. Hello. I hate Unicode. Somehow my typing style. Probably need to patch this away sometime soon. Fix file. So this is a function. So we editors. So we copy. So we simply can iterate here through all the arguments. Let's see, test function test for x. Does that work? Or for x in either that. Maybe we can copy that from for either that or maybe this, because there are some strange escaping things. So not only that, but all arguments for all of this. By the way, do we need to escape this because this is echoed? Do we need to? I guess we need to. I'm not really sure. Probably there should be two variants of requiring that. Maybe F for file in copy. Also, this could probably be done slightly nicer as F. Let's see if this works. Also for this short thing, you know what, doesn't really matter too much. Slightly more readable maybe, because this expansion is as long as that. Wait, should this work? Or F dot probably should not be here. I wanted to quote that. So for you know what, we can also do this like that. And so for F in, all those arguments do existing file vanilla or copy done, and then all of that probably like that, so that probably should have a chance to work. Let's clean that and redo that, probably off screen. So then also improving our macros for our function, debug functions for more efficient workflows. Anyway, yeah, I will probably test this, continue testing this, and I did actually not expect this patch to fail or whatever. Whatever else, you know what, let's cancel this immediately. Let's also turn on xtrace for me to, this is just shell set -x for me to see where it auto confs incorrectly and unwantedly breaking that. Why is there no other input? Hello, TTK? What is wrong with... just. Also, this ARM Mac that not M1 based, can't talk too much, but really strange thing on this NEC display. I now don't have the right video mode, really strange stuff. And what is also annoying is that I really wonder that each update of macOS now asks for whether to enable some other, like basically the first install questions reappear, like sending activity stuff and whatnot, privacy really wonder why this has to appear sometimes. But yeah, also, yeah, there is some really, so this big Sur, not sure if it's developer ARM Mac related or general bugs. Somehow this display doesn't get the native resolution. Also, if I use another, I have here already a USB-C dongle, but really strange stuff with this HDMI-based output going on anyway. So yeah, I have to continue with some work and also read if this GTK2 probably the last time, because the next version is set. Yeah, somehow this, I'm pretty sure this was faster before. It should not be. Thanks for busy. Yeah, thank you very much. Maybe there is a big regression because this looks to be much slower. I'm very, very, very sure this wasn't. And that's slow. And I don't have, well, we have 13 gigs available. It's not the most, but also not the least. By the way, why do I not have more? Did I leave? No, why do I only lose? I probably should resize that partition. Why am I constrained to half a terabyte when this is a terabyte upgrade? Questions over questions. Anyway, yeah, so maybe you will find some news article. I could actually boot back into 5.9, but this feels significantly slower than it was before, whatever strange stuff is going on there. So maybe you will also find maybe some big news sites picks this up, you know, never know. But this is also, yeah, testing, more testing. Previous video, .1 patch level stuff of, yeah, I also have the feeling, yeah, new kernel, maybe performance went downhill as well, because, yeah, one Massachusetts, two Massachusetts, yeah, probably not the right word to pronounce it live on this channel. So yeah, one MIT, two MIT, three MIT. I have the feeling performance is not what it used to be. Danny is running system once again. That is amazing. We are mostly three because I have to continue with some work now that my ARM Mac updated. Hope you learned something. Not only that we read the patches for each version, but also that performance of a new kernel might not be amazing anymore. Whatever stuff might be going on there. And I hope to see you soon for the next videos and live streams to come.